Just fell off the door. Oh, it's nightmare fuel. Giant spider. Harvester of souls. Why are you coming toward me? Harvester of souls. And apparently your entourage. I think the ones that don't. Jesus.
What's that? What's that? What's that? Why is that here? Why is that? Why are you here? Why are you here? Oh, Jesus. That's what fell on me earlier. I'm about to have a heart attack. Homeboy just walked around my shoulder like, what are you doing to the spiders? I want to be on camera too.
You are so menacing looking. Holy Jesus.
Who pissed in your coffee? Can you even see me? Alright, we're going to do a side shot. What's up? We're going to keep going until I'm in the shot too. Oh, sweet God. Well, you know what we got to do. We got to touch it. It's like, nope, do not touch. Whoa!
Do not. Oh, look, it's all of nature's out here. This is insane. I don't want to be on camera, man. I told my agent, paparazzi are vicious. I could see your ass.